Harbor temperature was 108 degrees. Here is the 4 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time observation for Phoenix on Monday, August 11th. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes the cities of East Mesa, Sun Lakes, Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler, north central Pinal County in south central Arizona. This includes the city of Gold Canyon Village until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Seville, or 8 miles east of Sun Lakes, and moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Augusta Ranch, Bapchul, Santan Village Mall, Superstition Springs Mall, Tumbleweed Park, Gilbert City Hall, Freestone Park, Fiesta Mall, Mesa Riverview Mall, Chandler Fashion Center Mall, Chandler City Hall in downtown Mesa. If you encounter dense blowing dust while driving, pull over as far off the roadway as possible and park. Turn off your headlights and keep your foot off the brake. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio KH.